Lolita will be showing you how to make a pineapple carpaccio with pomegranate, mint, and vanilla salt. I hope you enjoy.
Mabuhay! I'm Lolita. Today, I will be showing you how to make a fruit dessert. Pineapple carpaccio with pomegranate, mint, and vanilla salt. I will show you my way of cutting pineapple, deseeding the pomegranate, and making vanilla salt. Let's get started. Let's cut the pineapple. First, cut the top part and the bottom part. Then you can thinly cut out the outer skin. Keep on going until you finish removing everything. Okay, it's done. Cut off the green part. Now I'm going to show you how to cut out the eyes. We're going to follow the diagonal line and cut out the eyes. Cut it out by wedges. Take your time. So keep going. By cutting this way, we don't waste so much. And you also get a nice flower design when you slice the pineapple. Carpaccio means a thinly sliced in Italian. If there are any eyes left on top, slice it off. Let me do a final trim. Now it's all trimmed. Next step is to deseed the pomegranate. Make a cut towards the top all the way around. Make sure don't cut too deeply. Next, peel it back. And use your hand to peel it off. Once you cut off the top, you can see 5 sections. Next, cut down along the length of each section. This is the last one. I will loosen each section and remove the white pit. Get a bowl and knock the seeds out. And use a wooden spoon. Hit it firmly and the seeds will start to come off. This way the seeds come out whole. You can bend each section to loosen it. And hit it some more. You can also use your hand to loosen. After you get out the seeds, rinse it with water. Get a plate ready and we will slice the pineapple. The trick is to slice it as thinly as you can. I find the bread knife works better. As you can see, the diagonal cut creates a flower pattern. Let me tell you how to make vanilla salt. Vanilla salt is very easy to make. All you have to do is to get a pod of vanilla, cut it lengthwise, scrape out the vanilla seeds in a container, add fine sea salt. Then add in all the seeds into the salt. Also cut the pod and put it in as well. Mix it for a few days. And this is what it looks like. It is very fragrant. The scent of vanilla throughout the salt adds a great taste to this dish. Salt and vanilla and the sweetness of the pineapple is quite extraordinary. To plate, we're going to arrange the pineapple in a flower pattern. overlap the pineapple. Here's the pineapple carpaccio. Next, we're going to sprinkle vanilla salt. You only need a few pinches of vanilla salt. For the mint leaves, we'll finely slice the big leaves. Save the small leaves to sprinkle later. Chippendale the mint leaves. Now let's finish plating. Sprinkle the pomegranate over the pineapple. The color contrast is beautiful. Slices over. And finally, put the small mint leaves on top. And here you have it. Pineapple carpaccio with pomegranate and mint leaves, flavored with vanilla salt. I hope you like it. Let's give it a taste. The sweetness of the pineapple and pomegranate, along with the vanilla salt and mint, make a great taste. Sweet fruit and a little bit of salt. It's always a delicious combination. This dish is a wonderful dessert to any meal. It is natural and healthy. I hope you tried it. Thank you for joining me. See you next time. Bye.